Hi. 3D mechanical design. Calculation of simply supported beam. The beam rests on a support point at point A and is in equilibrium. Calculate the force F2 located at a distance of 2 meters from the center A. If F1 equals 12 newtons is located at a distance of 8 meters from the center A. F3 equals 23 newtons is located at a distance of 10 meters from the center A. To solve this problem, we can use the principle of moments. About the center of the beam, the principle of moments states that for a body to be in equilibrium, the sum of the clockwise moments about any point must be equal to the sum of the anticlockwise moments about the same point. F1 times D1 plus F2 times D2 equals F3 times D3. F2 equals F3 times D3 minus F1 times D1 divided by D2. F2 equals 23 by 10 minus 12 by 8 divided by 2 equals 67 newtons. Thank you for watching.